Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's finally here. The highly anticipated Realme GT 7 Pro is all set to make its big debut, and we've got all the juicy details. Stick around to find out everything you need to know about Realme's next big flagship. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates. So, first things first, the Realme GT 7 Pro will officially launch in China on November 4th at 2 p.m. local time. That's 11:30 a.m. IST. Mark your calendars. This is definitely one to watch out for, especially if you're a fan of premium smartphones. Now let's talk about the design. The Realme GT 7 Pro is going to feature a Samsung Quad micro-curved display with 1.5K resolution. It's also rocking a 120Hz refresh rate for that buttery smooth scrolling. Plus, it comes with DC dimming and eye protection technology, making it perfect for long hours of use. From the leaks, the phone will sport a 6.78-inch BOE screen, giving you a stunning viewing experience. Performance-wise, this device is no joke. It's powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC, which has been making waves for its mind-blowing performance. According to reports, its Antutu score even beats phones with MediaTek's Dimensity 9400 and Apple's A18 Pro chipsets. This phone is expected to be a powerhouse, with up to 24 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. Whether you're gaming or multitasking, the GT 7 Pro won't break a sweat. On the camera front, the GT 7 Pro is rumored to pack a punch with its 50-megapixel main sensor, an ultra-wide lens, and a Sony IMX 882 periscope telephoto camera. You can expect 3x optical zoom, 10x hybrid zoom, and 12x digital zoom for those crystal clear shots from a distance. On the front, there's a 32-megapixel selfie shooter, perfect for all your selfies and vlogs. The phone is built to last, with an IP69 rated body for dust and water resistance. And for security, it's one of the first Realme phones to feature an in-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. So, no more worries about unlocking your phone in wet or tricky conditions. All in all, the Realme GT 7 Pro looks like a solid contender in the flagship space. With its powerful chipset, stellar display, and top-notch cameras, this is one phone you don't want to miss. Let me know in the comments. Are you excited for this launch? And which feature has you the most hyped? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.